Step into the 2018 Kia Optima S. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 185 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, clock, in-radio display and cruise control. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.